Hello everyone, my name is Nelson. I'm from Department of Multimedia and Entertainment Science. I'm third grade now, and my performance is programming. Today I will tell you about my Department of Multimedia and Entertainment Science. We learned about games, how to design games. Today I will tell you. My speech will cover 3 points. First, what do I study? Second, what did I choose this subject? Third, what can I do after I graduation? Now, let's start the speech. First, I will tell you about what I study. Our department can divide into 2, game art design and game programming. Game art design is mainly focused in design games. I think the basic 2D art image processing and the 3D character processing are important for the game design because they are foundation skills for the game design. In 2D image processing school, we need to learn some more basic 2D art spacing methods. We use Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to design, to setting, and Illustrator. 3D character protection. The teacher will use 3D Max this software to make some of the basic 3D game objects and the character protection models. Both are about basic game art design skills, and it is easy to me for learn. And another leading skill is the game programming, which is the basic game engine application skill. We learned about how to use Unity, this game engine, and some basic game protection skill framework. For example, Object Pool is using election resisting to reduce protection, and another skill database programming. We learned how to create a database and manage data, and it is mainly to application in the background management of the game. I think those scores are important. Without game engine, we can make the game easy, and the database is meaningful to us to control the game data. This is very important for the game. And the second, I will tell you about why I chose this subject, because I like programming. The results can become tracked back to my elementary school. It's my first time to create a game because of my school curriculum. We're using the software called Scratch. With the Scratch software, we just check the square and the game object can move. And I feel it's very interesting. And in my high school, I started to learn programming. I found it was easier to use than other classmates in the program. So I would often teach other classmates how to program. Later, I joined a course. Then I contact into with the game engine. I feel that was cool. It's able to make a fun game with a few lines of the code.
Next, how can I do after graduation? In my field, I have a lot of choice of the future career. For example, the web engineer, because I have a creation programming foundation, so it will be easier to learn the programming language that is difficult in my work. A web page is based on the Java language, and the create C# using in the game programming is also complete on the same C language. And finally, thank you for your listening.